All right. I moved into a brand new apartment, and that's where I'm at right now. Yeah, okay, so quite a life update because I haven't really uploaded in quite a few weeks, I want to say. And that's because, I don't know, there were a lot of factors. And I can obviously always use like medical school as an excuse, but it wasn't even just med school. It was the fact that like I felt like I wasn't like in my own space, like I didn't have my own apartment and living by myself. I was living with my family for the past few weeks since I moved out of my old apartment. And if you want to like know a little bit more about that, watch my last video. But I felt like I didn't have my own space and I couldn't really film and like just did not feel like I was in the zone. But I got a new place. I searched literally, I'm pretty sure I searched every single day since I moved out of my last apartment for a new place. And even when I told myself, I was like, no, like we're not gonna move right now because it's not the right time, or like, I don't know, various other reasons, I just kept searching, which I was like, okay, that's a sign. Like I know I love living by myself more than anything in the world. And I just don't know why I was kind of denying myself that over like a whole bunch of other reasons, when really like having my own place means a lot to me. And I also feel like I'm like the best version of myself when I have my own apartment and can kind of set my own routine and do things my way. So I'm very grateful to my family for letting me stay with them. But I'm also very excited about this apartment. And I thought I'd do like a very quick empty apartment tour, because part of the reason why I'm sure it's like a little bit echoey right now is because I'm literally in an apartment with like nothing in it. There's no furniture, there's literally nothing. I have one box that I brought up and the rest I'm waiting on my boyfriend to get here so he can like help me move some of the stuff in. But before he gets here, let me just show you around real quick. So this is the entrance. And right as you come in to the left, we have the kitchen, and the kitchen is very nice size. This is the one box I was telling you guys about. It's all I have right now. And I have a range and just a lot of storage. There's a lot of storage in this unit. I also have a dishwasher, but just plenty of storage for one person. And then, so that was the kitchen over there. And then on the right, we have the bathroom, and I'm gonna change out these light bulbs because I do not like white light. But yes, I have an in-unit washer dryer, which honestly is one of the biggest reasons why I got this place. The rest of the stuff, I have my shower over there. And then as you enter on here, you see the bedroom. And this is a lot of storage again. So this is one of the closets that I have in my bedroom. And then this is the other closet. And you guys wanna see something really cool? I have this right here, which honestly, like, I don't know. I didn't really know what it was. And then I opened it and I realized it's a jewelry holder. I don't know if this lighting is like letting you see it, but let me do this. It's a jewelry holder. Like, what a relic of a different era. Oh, also you can see my henna. But yeah, I just thought that was so funny. This is the other closet. This is the bedroom, and it's a really good sized bedroom. So I'm envisioning obviously a queen size bed over here, and then a desk over here, or maybe potentially over here. I can't really decide, but however it fits. I need my desk in my room, and then also my bed right here. And then lastly, we have the living room. Let me show you a better view. Okay, perfect. So this is the living room. And I'm thinking I'm going to have like a little dining set over here, maybe a mirror over here, and then my couch over there, and my TV right here. I'm actually picking up my TV tomorrow, and then I have like a little balcony outside, you guys. How cute is this? It's adorable.